In a work environment, it is important to be mindful of personal space and avoid making others uncomfortable. There are several approaches to address this issue. First, create a buffer by utilizing office furniture and natural dividers to increase distance between yourself and others. In closely grouped situations, like elevators or meetings, understand that closer proximity is often unavoidable. However, if the violation persists, document the interaction and consider discussing it with your manager or human resources. Educate coworkers about personal space constructs and varying levels of comfort. If someone continues to invade your space, politely ask them to back away and explain your discomfort. Nonverbal cues can also be effective, such as adjusting your seating position, avoiding eye contact, or folding your arms. Stepping back physically is a clear sign that you want more space. If all else fails, isolate yourself from the situations where your personal space is likely to be invaded. Focus on your work and minimize interactions that could interfere with your space, and contact your human resources department.